Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, Tigray, and Sudan is that viewers, according to the reports received from several sources, it is being said that today Tigray Defense Force tried to take control of the Megale district of Afar Zone 2. And it is being said that Tigray Defense Force attacked Megale district and tried to gain control over it. Viewers, Afar sources told that Afar forces were able to defend themselves in a heavy Tigray Defense Force attack. Since before, in Afar region, many Waridas were under the control of Tigray Defense Force. And according to the reports from Tigray Defense Force, contrary to the situation, Tigray Defense Force had taken out its forces from Afar region and deployed them to Amhara region. And it was told that Tigray Defense Force had entered Afar region to protect its areas because there are Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara forces, and Republican Guards in Afar region. But now, according to the latest reports from Afar sources, Tigray Defense Force soldiers tried to enter the Magela district of Afar Zone 2. But Afar forces were able to defend themselves. But till now, no statement has been made by Tigray Defense Force and Tigray government about it. Viewers, on the other hand, according to the Sudanese authorities, today failed coup attempt took place in Khartoum, the capital of Sudan. Now, it is being said that by Sudanese media, so far, more than 300 officers and soldiers have been arrested so far against the backdrop of the coup attempt. And a video is shared from Sudanese capital Khartoum. I will share this video with you at the end. In this video, shoots have been heard and several tanks have been seen in the streets of the city of Khartoum. And now, according to the Sudanese authorities, now the situation is under the control of the government. Viewers, according to the latest reports received about Dessie and Gondar, fighting between Amhara militias and Ethiopian National Defense Force is ongoing in the surrounding areas of Gondar, while the Eritrean army, which came to help the Ethiopian National Defense Force in Gondar to prevent Tigray Defense Force from controlling Gondar, is now returning goods from homes in Gondar. It is being reported that Eritrean soldiers stealing small items of household use. And as I have already informed you that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are heading towards Addis Zaman. If Tigray Defense Force takes control of Addis Zaman, then they will be able to block the A3 highway. Viewers, on the other hand, reports of heavy fighting between Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies and Tigray Defense Force are being received in the outskirts of Dessie. It is said that the war around Dessie is becoming intense and heavy weapons are being used from both sides. And Tigray Defense Force soldiers trying to enter the Dessie and Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies are now trying their best to prevent Tigray Defense Force from moving towards Dessie. Viewers, yesterday many news circulating that Oromo Liberation Army senior commander surrendered to the Ethiopian army. About it, a statement is given by Oromo Liberation Army. In this statement, Oromo Liberation Army said that there has been a lot of confusion in regards to former Oromo Liberation Army Southern Zone commander, Mr. Golicha, returned to civilian life. Contrary to government news reports, Mr. Golicha has not been an OLA commander for over a year as he had withdrawn from the field to seek medical treatment. To maintain military operations, Mr. Golicha, former deputy Jal Gamachis, was promoted to take his place. Following his recovery, Mr. Golicha refused several requests to return to the field and resume his command. Moreover, he also refused to participate in the OLA General Assembly held in July, citing disagreements with the rest of the commanders. Viewers, OLA said that we understand his decision to return to civilian life given his health condition. Moreover, as a respected veteran of the Oromo struggle who led OLA forces in the southern zone for over a decade, we wish him the best in his future endeavors. So viewers, so far this is the latest update. Let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.